Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I took the screw out of that corner and out of that corner. Now I can lift the face off. There's those little black screws there, flat tip. I pushed the pin out of the lower green wheel. As you can see, it sticking out this end. So I'm going to push it down with the screwdriver and adjust the mileage right there. Pry the screwdriver up in here, push down on the green thing, and then I spun these last three. Now I'm going to push the pin through the other way and adjust the first three. Took some playing around with it, pressing it down, holding the gears in place by my thumb, but I think it's a lot quicker. Looks like I got it perfect in the window. Took a lot of playing around with the gearing and spinning it back and forth, holding it with my thumb, pushing the gearing back up till I got it straight. But it is straight. I'm going to go ahead and install it back in the cluster, right on the cluster that has been corrected to the vehicle. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.